What's up guys, GraveLady6 here, and this is going to be a cold start video. First we're going to start off with this, then that, and then that. And I'm only going to do those three today. So, I haven't used this for about 4 days. I got to use it today because I mowed the yard yesterday afternoon. And I didn't get a chance to weed whack, so I had to go somewhere. So I'm gonna start this up for you guys, give it some primage. Choke. So that started up, fired on the first pull, second pull, turned on completely. And the only reason it didn't start on the first pull is because it was on full choke. Alright, now for the 350 BT choke and priming. Turn it on. So now the Toro Pro line. Choke. Oh, I think my battery's dead. Hold on, let me try to turn the fly a little bit. I gotta get a new battery for this, I think. No, I'm gonna put it on the charger. So I can't cold start that. I'll do another cold start on that. I used it yesterday. The battery must be dead. The battery's like shot. Agreed, I can do a cold start on this. Alright. This thing needs like a carb clean or something. It's not running that good right now. So yeah. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. And I'll have a mowing video up of this today, hopefully. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. Bye.